Around the school and in every single classroom is the characteristics of learning. So these are what we call the 5 R's, and they are such as responsibility, resilience, respect. And the idea is that students are awarded achievement points based on these particular characteristics, and they can receive extra points connected with contributions, wider contributions to the community. But this is just one of our certificates that we have here. So this is the Bronze Award, and you can see there's a little badge. And students really wear these with pride at Castle Hall.
Every star has an achievement, and you have to get an amount of positives to get the star. So this bronze one over here is you have to get 250 positives to get this. This gold one here is 1,000, and this one, silver one is 600.
And along with receiving the certificate and the badge, there is a variety of extra awards that we offer. We really feel that it's a need to give lots of positive praise to our students, because we want them to excel, not just within education, but we want them to excel socially and emotionally as they move through Castle Hall Academy.